Hi, my name is Nitin Goel, and I've been in Australia for the last 6 years. I have studied Bachelor of Technology in Electronics and Communications from India, and then in Australia, I have studied Masters in Applied Information and Technology, and I finished in 2017. And then there was a procedure to complete the PR. So I recently got my PR in March 2020. And then after I have studied AWS technologies, some cloud technologies, I have done certification in AWS Solution Architect Associate. And I have studied a lot about CCNA as well. And then I have studied about some CI/CD tool in DevOps. I haven't studied any particular language. I think so. Maybe there are some languages required in data analytics. So I will be looking further for that. I don't have any real-time experience, and so I will be looking forward to get some experience. And yeah, that's all for that.
All right,
Thank
great.
you.
And by the way, what are your expectations before the start of classes?
So my expectations is mostly so to get the job they ask for the real-time experience, to be honest. So just to get the experience, how to work in a company, because this is what I was lacking when I was giving interviews. Because if we study one subject and we don't have experience, so they can easily catch us, like, because self-learning and the real-time working is different, totally different. Yeah, so I will be looking forward to some projects, working on projects and learning, because I have no idea about data analytics too.
No worries, no worries. We're definitely gonna help you have a full, a full and good understanding of data analytics, so that when you
Yeah,
get to those interviews, you don't have to worry that you're underqualified. All right.
yeah, yeah.
Okay. Last but not the least, may I know where exactly did you found us, and how did you decide to apply or to sign up to this program?
I um, I found on Facebook actually.
Okay. Yeah.
I was because when I saw I can't clear the interview, then I started looking for some internships, and then I found my internship, and then I applied, and then I talked with Malika. She explained me, and then she convinced me to join.
Okay. Well, because I know the path that you're talking about, because if you keep being rejected because you don't have real-time
Yeah,
experience, the next thing that you're definitely going to think of is, maybe I really need to go through an internship, like a proper internship with a company. Yeah,
yeah.
right. So I do get the point, but now you're in a higher type of program. So definitely we're gonna help you get all the skills that you need, that typically you wouldn't get in full in an actual internship, because it still depends with the company what they're gonna teach you anyway, right? But here on this
Definitely.
program, we're gonna teach you everything that you need to have, so that when you get to those interviews, you wouldn't be lacking anything. All right.
Okay, I want to ask one more thing.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Like, so when we apply for the companies, so they will be looking like, yeah, of course, definitely you will ask, you will help us to build the resume.
Yeah.
So we have to put some experience in the resume before we apply it.
Not
So,
exactly. Not all companies rely heavily on your experience in the field, like in data analytics, but the project-based internship is going to help you on that part, because it's
okay,
internships are counted as work, formal work experience, so they're
okay,
definitely going to be counted as an experience that you already have locally in the field, which is data analytics. All right. So I hope that
okay,
makes sense. But definitely, we wouldn't be sending you out to interviews if you're gonna be, rejected just because of not having previous work experience in the field. All
yeah,
right.
because my study was finished in 2017,
Yeah, I know there's a big career gap that you have.
and that's why to cover this gap I put some experience.
Yeah, well, that's not always the best thing to do, but it may be effective for others if they can wing it. But if it's not always advisable to add things that are not really supposed to be there in your resume. But our career coach is definitely going to help you with that.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. Yeah.
No
Okay.
worries then. Well, thank you for doing the introduction like earlier.